The scammers are coming! The scammers are coming! 1 out of 5 Americans watching this video will be impacted by this topic, costing each person on average about $1,500. Hi and welcome back to another video, and if I never met you before, my name is Josh and I make videos on ways that you can save, make money, and all things that's related to your finances. So be sure that you subscribe to this channel and click the bell, and that way you don't miss anything. And if this video has helped you out in any way, be sure that you give this video a thumbs up, and that way YouTube will recommend this video to more people who may be in need of this content. So I want to be respectful of your time and keep this video short, so let's get right to the details. There is no secret that scammers have stepped up their efforts in the past few years to steal your identity and your money. You may remember in May of 2017, information was stolen from the Equifax servers, things like social security numbers, credit card numbers, birth dates, and other information on a large scale. Now, due to the recent economic downturn, there has been an increase of fraudulent activity once again, because crisis can bring out the best in people, but at the same time it can bring out all of those con artists, which I like to call those people scumbags. And as of September the 21st, 2018, the solution to all of this is free. And who doesn't like free? Hit that like button if you guys like free as much as I do. So if you're wondering what I'm talking about the importance of freezing your credit. If you have made it this far in the video, just give it a chance and watch it to the very end, because 20% of you guys will be statistically impacted by this, and by simply watching a free 5-minute video, it has the potential to save you thousands. Cause personally, I have been a target of these scumbags, and as soon as this was an option, I took advantage of it, and I honestly have no regrets. And let me tell you, even my wife, her banking account before this, there was a $1 million hold on her banking account. This happens to real people. This really all began in May of 2017 when Equifax reported that they have been breached, exposing 147 million Americans of fraud. The scumbags even got their hands on the credit card information of more than 200,000 people. Just think about what a scumbag could do with your social security number, your driver's license information, your address, your birthdays, your credit card numbers, and so much more. You might even own a house right now in the Canary Islands and wouldn't even know about it. A credit freeze will keep this sensitive information out of the hands of these scumbags, and no one can have access to it without your specific consent. By freezing your credit, it can protect you from fraudulent credit applications, even if the criminal has key information such as your birthday and your social security number. A credit freeze protects you by blocking access to your credit reports. When someone applies for credit using your personal information, a lender or the card issuer typically will go and check your credit report before making a decision. If your credit is frozen, the potential creditor cannot see the data that's required to approve you for the application. And by lifting and placing a credit freeze is free, and it doesn't affect your credit score at all. And the scumbags are not only after your credit information, they will even take the social security numbers of children as well. Now that's just low. Because honestly, how many of us really go out and check our child's credit? So many kids are targeted because people rarely check their credit. So when little Sally applies for college, she can't get a Student Plus loan because she has bad credit, because she defaulted on her home out in the Bahamas that she didn't even know that she owed. You get my point, right? Previously, Credit reporting agencies would charge you to do this. That was until Congress amended the Fair Credit Reporting Act to require reporting agencies to freeze credit at no charge. It's absolutely free. There is no reason why you should not do this. Because if you're not in the middle of applying for a loan or getting a new card, you should go on and freeze your credit. Here are some links, and I am going to leave the links in the description box below as well. Remember to only use the official credit bureau's websites, because if not, you may be putting your information into a fraudulent website. And to unfreeze your credit, you can simply go to the credit bureau's website, or you can call them and use the PIN or the password that you set up when you put a freeze on your credit. And when you are applying for credit, you can ask the creditor which credit bureau that they will be pulling from, and you can call that bureau or go onto the website and put a temporary request to unfreeze your credit. Or you may choose to lift the freeze on all of the 3 major credit bureaus. You can choose to unfreeze it for a specific time period, after which the freeze will automatically resume. It's really that simple. Have you ever had your information compromised? Leave that in the comment section below. Please subscribe to this channel, and that way you don't miss another video, and I'm leaving more videos over there. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.